In today's video, we're going to learn the 100 most common English words used in the office. These are the words you hear every day at work in meetings, emails, and conversations with your colleagues. By the end of this video, you'll sound more confident and professional when speaking English at work. So, let's get started and boost your business English together. Meeting. Meeting. We have a meeting at 10 a.m. Deadline. Deadline. The project deadline is next Friday. Report. Report. I finished the monthly report. Schedule. Schedule. Let's check the team schedule. Task. Task. My main task today is to call the client. Project. Project. This project will take 2 weeks. Colleague. Colleague. My colleague helped me with the presentation. Supervisor. Supervisor. Our supervisor approved the new plan. Presentation. Presentation. I'm preparing a presentation for the boss. Document. Document. Please send me the document by email. 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 I received your email this morning. File. File. Save the file before you close it. Printer. Printer. The printer is out of paper again. Copy. Copy. Can you make a copy of this report? Desk. Desk. My desk is next to the window. Computer. Computer. His computer isn't working properly. Internet. Internet. The internet connection is too slow. Password. Password. Don't share your password with anyone. Login. Login. You need to log in to access the system. Software. Software. The new software is very user-friendly. Update. Update. Please update the file before the meeting. Feedback. Feedback. I'd like to get your feedback on my work. Manager. Manager. The manager wants to see the final version. Employee. Employee. Every employee must attend the meeting. Break. Break. Let's take a short coffee break. Office. Office. Our office closes at 6 p.m. Team. Team. The team worked very hard on this project. Conference. Conference. She's attending a business conference. Proposal. Proposal. I sent the proposal to the client yesterday. Client. Client. The client requested some changes. Agreement. Agreement. We signed the agreement last week. Negotiation. Negotiation. The negotiation took 3 hours. Call. Call. I have a call with the marketing team. Message. Message. Did you get my message? Note. Note. Please take note of the new instructions. Calendar. Calendar. Check the calendar for available dates. Reminder. Reminder. Set a reminder for tomorrow's meeting. Agenda. What's on the agenda for today? Performance. Performance. Her performance has improved a lot. Bonus. Bonus. Everyone received a bonus this year. Salary. Salary. The salary will be paid next Monday. Promotion. Promotion. He got a promotion last month. Training. Training. We have safety training this afternoon. Responsibility. Responsibility. It's your responsibility to check the data. Department. Department. She works in the finance department. Product. Product. Our new product launches next week. Sales. Sales. Sales increased by 15% this quarter. Marketing. Marketing. The marketing team created a new campaign. Customer. Customer. We always listen to customer feedback. Invoice. Invoice. Please send the invoice to the finance team. Budget. Budget. We need to reduce the budget by 10%. Expense. Expense. Travel expenses must be approved in advance. Profit. Profit. The company made a big profit last year. Loss. Loss. The project ended with a small loss. Meeting room. Meeting room. The meeting room is already booked. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. Write the plan on the whiteboard. Pen. Pen. Can I borrow your pen? Paper. Paper. There's no paper in the printer. Stapler. Stapler. The stapler is on my desk. Folder. Folder. Please organize these papers in a folder. Chair. Chair. The new office chairs are very comfortable. Coffee. Coffee. Let's grab a coffee before we start. Break room. Break room. Everyone is in the break room right now. Cafeteria. Cafeteria. The cafeteria serves lunch until 2 p.m. Receptionist. Receptionist. The receptionist will guide you to the office. Visitor. Visitor. We have a visitor from another branch. Security. Security. The security guard checks all visitors. ID card. ID card. Don't forget your ID card at home. Entrance. Entrance. The main entrance is closed after 7 p.m. Exit. Exit. Use the emergency exit in case of fire. Elevator. Elevator. The elevator is under maintenance. Stairs. Stairs. Let's take the stairs instead. Meeting minutes. Meeting minutes. Please send the meeting minutes to everyone. Target. Target. Our sales target is $50,000 this month. Result. Result. The results will be shared tomorrow. Strategy. Strategy. We need a new marketing strategy. Goal. Goal. My goal is to finish the report by noon. Task list. Task list. Check your task list before leaving. Deadline extension. We got a deadline extension for 2 days. Summary. Summary. I'll prepare a short summary of today's discussion. Chart. Chart. The chart shows our monthly growth. Data. Data. We analyze the customer data. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. Open the spreadsheet to add the numbers. Template. Template. Use this template for your report. Approval. Approval. I need your approval to send this file. Revision. Revision. The document needs a small revision. Signature. Signature. Please add your signature at the bottom. Attachment. Attachment. Don't forget to add the attachment. Upload. Upload. Upload the presentation to the shared drive. Download. Download. You can download the file from the link. 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 I shared the link with the whole team. Notification. Notification. I received a notification about the update. Password reset. Password reset. I had to do a password reset this morning. Connection. Connection. The video call lost connection. Headset. Headset. My headset isn't working properly. Camera. Camera. Turn on your camera for the video call. Microphone. Microphone. Please mute your microphone during the meeting. Screen. Screen. Share your screen so we can see the file. Remote. Remote. Many employees work remotely now. Overtime. Overtime. I had to work overtime yesterday. Great job! You've just learned the 100 most common English words used at the office. Keep practicing these words every day and use them in real situations. Soon, you'll feel comfortable speaking English in any professional setting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next business English lesson. See you in the next video.